Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little bit different and we're decorating the Mustang for the holiday and we're taking it to Caffeine and Octane. It's a little bit early this morning, so hopefully that means we get a good spot at the show. I'm excited. This is what it looks like, obviously now. I cleaned it up last night. And then let's show you what it looks like deerified. Ready? Before and after. What do you think, huh? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Mustang was born this day, I guess. Anyways, you're probably asking yourself, am I really gonna drive to Caffeine and Octane like this? And the answer is, hell yes I am. So let's get in the car and let's go. All right, guys, we just made it to the show. We got a decent spot here. I was a little worried. I thought we got here early enough, but I don't know. We should have got here maybe a little earlier, but we did end up finding a good spot here. Someone was nice enough to let us in. So yeah, let's go check it out. All right, guys, the Christmas Mustang has officially made it. Let's go check out some of the other cars we have here at this month's Caffeine and Octane event. Let's go. I'm kind of surprised those little antlers actually held on, because honestly, they were bent like at a 90-degree angle going down the highway. So thankfully, the Christmas Mustang arrived in one piece. And we're not the only ones with that decor here at Caffeine and Octane this morning, so I don't feel as original, of course. Check the Super out, guys. Man, maybe someday. Look at this thing. Guys, let me know. I know obviously we put a lot of Ecoboost content out there, but if you guys had a choice in what your future vehicle was gonna be, or what your dream vehicle is, what is it? I think the Supra for me would be something that I would really enjoy. I really like the look at these things. It's just so sleek, aren't they? Yeah, pretty amazing. Just got to come up with a little bit more cash. We got a fellow antler reindeer kit. Man, it would have been perfect to park next to him. Next time, I guess. And we got a Mach-E here as well. I think they look pretty good for what they are. You know, I know there's a lot of controversy surrounding them, and I've had them, kind of shown on my channel a few times at these events, but I don't know. I don't know if maybe it should. Oh, this is the GT though. Okay, wow. This is the first time I'm actually seeing one of those. Megan, it's actually a GT. So this thing is like the 400 horsepower, blah, blah, blah. Put the specs up right now. A lot more power. Pretty neat. I don't know. It's a little weird that it's like obviously an SUV, but you can't argue with the power. We got a couple little Mustangs over here. Let's go take a look at those. It's got the Atlanta S550 decal on there. That's pretty cool. Hey, and the boosted badge. I've been looking at getting one of these for my car. I saw that there's a couple different places where you can get those online. I think orange and black would look cool. It would kind of match the theme that I'm going with. So maybe we'll end up doing that at some point in time. And I think the GT 500 spoiler is what we're going to be doing as far as the rear wing goes on my Mustang. So this is my dilemma, right? So GT 500 spoiler on the Mustang, right? Or the performance pack spoiler. I really like this look as well, and I just can't decide. So if you guys have an opinion on this between the two, let me know down below. I'm curious of what you guys think. Megan, what do you think between those two? You like this look better than the 500?
It's not so big.
That's true. It's not so big. It's yeah, I don't know. I like this look too, but I just can't decide. So I don't know. You think that one though, right?
I like that one. I mean, this one's cool, but
Yeah. It is bigger. Yeah. I don't know. So you guys post it down below. Which one do you think you want to see on the Mustang? Because I'll take your opinions into consideration when I buy it. Love it, man. You're welcome. Imagine the pressure backing in right now.
And the car seat. Can't forget the car. I got it. Can't forget the car seat, man. Yeah, I think this is ready for the bed.
Yeah. Pro status right there.
actually, I mean, all those people watching.
Yeah. I was nervous backing into the spot we got. Guys, is a beautiful GT3 RS. This bright green color. Look at this. And we got a GT2 RS right here. Man, look at how aggressive it is. The brakes. Jesus. Oh man, guys, look at the Ford GT. It's kind of rare that I haven't seen these at very many of these shows, but they are awesome, aren't they? That's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, just like the aerodynamics of this thing is crazy. The closest I've ever gotten to drive one of these is Forza on Xbox. So. Wow, guys, check this out. We got a DeLorean over here. Any of you Back to the Future fans will know what this car is. How could you not? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Well, guys, we are back to the Christmas Mustang, and it is still working. The antlers are still operating. There it is. The nose is a little weird, but it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So there it is. And it looks like it's gonna start raining here soon, so I'll probably end up taking those antlers and stuff off for now, but we just made it back to the car, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today, going to see what Caffeine and Octane has to offer this month. And this won't be the last that you see of the Christmas Mustang. Maybe we will evolve from here. So you guys, thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. Subscribe down below, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye.